push, as in P-U-S-H. Hi, good morning. Charles here. It's Friday and right now dito sa area namin ang lamig. As you can see sa background, yan, cloudy and lamig. Kaya nakaganito din ako today habang naglalakad. So ayun, push as in P-U-S-H. So that's pray until something happens. Ayun, push tayo for today. It's the last day of the work week if you're working. So last day, hurrah. So push pa rin tayo for today. Let's do what we can do. Malay mo, for the past days it's gonna like a rough days for us, but maybe yung breakthrough mangyari na today, or kung hindi man today, you still have the weekend, or you can bounce back next week, diba? What's more important is just keep going and push, pray until something happens. In God's time, it's gonna happen. You just have to trust and believe and push, pray until something happens. Ayun, good luck for today. Annyeong, God bless, take care, and arigatou gozaimasu. Bye!